So this is the question for today. You know, we are doing the agriculture topic, okay, which was scheduled in month of July. So we are now dealing with we are writing the first 15 marker question. Remember one thing, in most of the agriculture question, 15 marker question comes in what we say, more than one questions are there. It comes in sub parts, okay. So remember to answer all the sub part. I can bet that if you answers all the sub part, then you will have spaceless here, okay. It is so interesting and intriguing, right? Let's see how do subsidies affect cropping pattern. So first is how, second okay, cropping pattern, crop diversity and economy of farmer. What is the significance? And the second is what is the significance of crop insurance, MSP and food processing for small and marginal farmer, okay. So for small and marginal farmer it is saying, remember this, fine. So we'll write the answer now. Answer to this is how do and we'll be writing for 15 markers, so about 250 words, 200 to 120 words will be enough. How do subsidies affect cropping pattern, crop diversity, okay. Subsidies in form or subsidies are very important benefits provided by government to the farmers. Okay, farmers different subsidies like fuel, electricity, storage warehouses, etc. helps to make agriculture profitable, right? Now this role of subsidies in okay, how subsidies affect cropping pattern, crop, okay. Role of subsidies number 1, cropping pattern. Subsidies helps to decide the cropping pattern, and we'll give an example. Although Maharashtra, although say Marathwada and okay region is agroecologically not suited for sugarcane cultivation, still due to FRP provisions the farmers grow sugarcane there, okay. Farmer grow sugarcane there. 1 point completed. Cropping pattern. The next part is crop diversity. Okay, cropping pattern. Decide the cropping pattern. Let me write one more line, because also subsidies help, or leave it. The second part is cropping pattern, then after that crop diversity. We have only 2.5 pages to write. Crop diversity subsidies helps to diversify cropping pattern both positively and negatively. We'll give an example to both. Example 1. Okay. What will be writing here now? MSP covers 22 crops, 14 Kharif, 6 Rabi and 2 commercial crop, cash crops. Okay. Now, which region should I take example? Let's say Punjab or UP. UP में should I take up or Bihar should I take? Okay. A region can grow multiple crops so that it can reap benefits from all from available subsidies. Okay. Example 2, fuel subsidy and water subsidy has led to creation of green deserts, especially in Punjab, especially in heartland of green revolution belt, and we'll make a map here. Okay, very small map. We don't have a space also. I miscalculated it. Okay, this would be enough. So, are we making the green revolution belt? Okay, fine. So this is one of my belt. This is another belt. Okay, and this is one another belt. Some belt was here, some belt was, and this was now extended over extension over time. Fine. So GR belt. GR belt and extension. Okay. Wheat plus rice only. Rice. Figure green deserts creation. Okay. Now the third thing is economy of farmer. Okay. Third thing is economy of farmers. Subsidies are one of the important sources of farmer income. Fine. One of the important source of farmer income. Let us see how of farmers income. Okay, fine. Okay, guaranteed price via MSP like mechanism, cash transfer via PM Kisan scheme, okay, and what etc. help to help farmers to earn livelihood. Number one. Second, invest in agriculture since, or let me write it, since about 80% of investment in agriculture is private. Okay, invest in agriculture. Example, they can purchase better seeds, can get irrigation facilities on where, on field, etc. Okay, thus it helps to make agriculture a profitable sector. Fine, we have done one part, 1.5 page written. Not more than this should be written because we have lack of space. What is significance of crop insurance, MSP, and processing, food processing? Okay. Okay. Now, subsidies. Cities are also complemented with subsidies like MSP, complemented with other initiatives including MSP, and the second thing was crop insurance, na? Crop insurance and food processing for small and marginal farmer. Okay, or let me put it this way. Crop insurance, MSP, and food processing, especially for small and medium farmers are very important, are complement the given by whom? By government. Don't state here. Okay, we are not doing the polity paper now. Significance of crop insurance, MSP, and food processing for small and medium farmer and marginal farmer. It should be marginal farmers. Okay, we'll be writing on this, and you see, even though I have point, I cannot write everything here because there is a space constant. Okay, crop insurance, it helps farmers to at least get enough amount back after crop failure so as to be used as working capital in next season. Fine. Subsidized insurance availability. Example, प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना acts as boon in days of crop failure and distress. Done. You don't have to write many things. Second is MSP. Well, I have written MSP several times above also. I should not have written that. It creates a wrong MSP and similar mechanism. MSP from center, right, like this. MSP given by center complemented with its state counterpart. Example, Uttar Pradesh gives additional 6,000 rupees. No, don't write this. This is something, it is for Kisan, PM Kisan. Example, state procurement facilities over MSP prices. Okay, MSP is center complementation, gives farmers and agri sector required cushion against falling market prices. Crashing market prices in times of both stressed and bumper produce. Okay, and third one is food processing. It is a sunrise sector, especially for small and marginal farmers, as it multiplies profit from produce, as shown below, and has high spill over effect, especially in women empowerment. Now figure I have to show. Okay, produce. Okay, now sold at X rupees per kg. Now if this is processed, first process, sold at more than X rupees per kg, final processing done, SP is more than 10 times in general. Where the produce is mango, more than at, okay, first produce, mango plus jaggery, and final produce mango drink. Oh. Okay, fine. So thus apart from above mentioned parameters, other important parameters helping out farmers includes land record digitization, extending irrigation facilities, etc. Done. Nothing more than no space is also there, and I will not be writing more than this. I won't go for the fourth page, right? Okay, so this is how my answer look. Let me give you a glimpse of it. Let me open up the yes. So this is how my answer looks. Okay, you can see it's beautiful of a kind. I saw as I see it. Okay, fine. In 3 pages I have completed this. I have drawn 2 diagrams in this question. I have written all the points that has been asked in the question. So after writing this much, you can expect at least 8 to 9 marks in this question, and that is more than enough. Why? You see, paper 3 is not that it is very difficult and challenging. The most important challenge is to know what is being asked in this. Okay, if you know what is exactly being asked in the question, you are done with that. You don't need to do anything else. Okay, so with this I am ending this agriculture section. In my opinion, about why it is not working, yes, 8 to 9 marks will be given for this. Okay, this is what I feel. Maybe 1 or 2 marks here and there, so not 1 or 2 mark, 0.5 marks here and there, and you will be safely landing. More than 50% in this is easily possible, and you can get it. Okay, fine. So with this I am ending it. I hope you like it. So good luck, goodbye, and Jai Hind.